Hello, fellow commercial lender. It's Bubba Bashaw with Simplified Commercial Lending here in Central Texas. I want to help you with the clients you're unable to serve. I know that as a credit union or a bank, you have overlays from the NCUA or the FDIC that make it where you can't make the loan for the client you really want to serve. We are a non-bank lender. We do not take deposits. We will not take your customer. All we want to do is have referrals for the clients you're unable to serve so that we can get them the loan they're looking for, and it makes you look like a hero. We do single family residence, 1 through 4 properties. We also do multifamily, self-storage, and retail. As long as it is business purpose, we are here to serve you and your clients. So please give us a call at Simplified Commercial Lending or have your clients contact us. Our number is 512-775-0794, or they can visit our website, www.simplifiedcommerciallending.com. And one of the greatest aspects of what we offer is 30-year amortization, 30 years fixed, and we have full doc, bank statement loans, and no doc. So if you have that client whose tax returns don't work, which keeps you from qualifying under FDIC regulations, we want to talk to them, because there's a very good chance we can grant them a credit approval, and the rates are going to be pretty close to where you are, just a smidge higher because it's not full doc, but we can serve those clients and get their needs met. So please give us a call, 512-775-0794, or visit our website, www.simplifiedcommerciallending.com. We look forward to serving you and your clients.